Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears, today I will draw this beautiful cake. Watch the video till the end. We need blue color, orange color, red color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, green color. Let's start. Please subscribe. This cake is going to be so colorful after the painting. Woo! Cakes are so yummy. Now I am drawing candles. Do you like to inflate them? It's so fun. With blue marker. I am coloring hearts with red marker. Orange color. Woo! Green color looks so beautiful. I like pink color. Yellow color. Orange color. This cake is perfect for the holidays. See you on the next video.